Financial Mindset presents 14 key strategies to grow your money. Who doesn't dream of achieving financial freedom and enjoying a fulfilling life free from financial worries? However, reaching this goal goes beyond mere wishing. It requires time, dedication, hard work, and above all, consistency. The good news is that no matter your current financial situation, with the right strategies and a firm commitment, you can make significant progress towards your economic goals. In this video, we present 14 proven and effective strategies to strengthen your personal finances. From managing your investments to tips for increasing your income, here you'll find the tools you need to step-by-step approach the financial life you always wanted. No matter how much money you have right now, with determination and following these tips, you can get closer to the life you desire. 1. Don't wait any longer, start now. Time is one of the most powerful allies in wealth building. Starting your investments as soon as possible gives you a longer period for your money to grow and multiply thanks to compound interest. Do not underestimate the impact of starting with a small amount. The important thing is to start. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity for your money to work in your favor. Think of it this way. It's not about how much you invest, but how much time you give that investment to mature. So, if you have even a small amount to invest, do it now. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't let analysis paralysis stop you. Start with what you have, learn in the process, and adjust your strategy as you go. 2. Put aside fears to grow your money. It's crucial to face and overcome your financial fears. Many people stay in their comfort zone, keeping their money in savings accounts for fear of losing it in investments. However, this safety can actually be costing you. Inflation can decrease the value of your money over time, meaning that even if you're not spending it, you're losing purchasing power. Understanding and accepting the risks involved in investments is a crucial step in growing your wealth. This doesn't mean you should risk your savings in highly volatile or speculative investments, but learn to make informed and well-thought-out investments. The key is to educate yourself, understand the different types of investments and their associated risks, and start with safer options if you're a beginner. Remember, fear is natural, but it should not be an obstacle to your financial growth. With knowledge, planning, and a balanced approach, you can overcome your fears and smartly grow your money. 3. Keep all your assets in optimal condition. Taking care of and maintaining your assets in good condition is vital for long-term financial health. This goes beyond mere physical goods like your car or house. It extends to your health, skills, and knowledge. For example, investing in regular maintenance of your vehicle can prevent costly breakdowns in the future. Similarly, taking care of your health through proper nutrition, regular exercise, and medical checkups can avoid high medical expenses. As for your skills and knowledge, continuing to educate yourself and staying updated in your professional field can result in better employment opportunities and higher income. Remember, every asset you own, whether physical or intangible, has the potential to increase your net worth if managed and cared for properly. Consider each asset as an investment in your financial future and dedicate time and resources to its maintenance and improvement. 4. Stay away from unnecessary debts and pay them off. Unnecessary debts can be a significant obstacle on your path to financial freedom. The first step is to avoid accumulating new debts that do not contribute to your economic growth. This means being mindful of your consumption habits and avoiding impulsive spending that requires high-interest financing, like credit cards for non-essential purchases. If you already have debts, establish a plan to pay them off as soon as possible, prioritizing those with higher interest rates since they grow the fastest and can become a financial burden. Consider strategies like debt consolidation or negotiating more favorable terms with your creditors. Being proactive in managing your debts not only improves your current financial situation, but also strengthens your credit and your ability to make strategic financial decisions in the future. 5. Invest in yourself. Get prepared. Investing in your education and personal development is undoubtedly one of the best investments you can make. Expanding your knowledge in personal finance management, investments, and markets not only gives you the necessary tools to make more informed financial decisions, but also opens the door to new income opportunities. Take advantage of available resources, such as books, online courses, seminars, and workshops to improve your financial literacy. Additionally, Don't limit your learning to finances. Develop skills that can increase your value in the job market, such as digital skills, languages, or leadership. Investing in yourself increases your income-generating capacity, makes you more adaptable to market changes, and better prepares you for future challenges and opportunities. Remember, your mind and skills are powerful assets. Invest in them wisely. 6. Reduce your expenses. Reducing your expenses is a direct and effective way to increase your savings, and therefore, your investment capacity. Start by reviewing your monthly expenses and eliminating or reducing those that are not essential. Small changes in your consumption habits can add up significantly at the end of the month. For example, consider more economical options for your usual purchases, reduce entertainment expenses, or eat out less frequently. Also, review your subscriptions and recurring services. We often pay for things we rarely use. In addition, being mindful of resource use, such as electricity and water, is not only good for your wallet, but also for the environment. The key is to live within your means, prioritizing saving and investing over immediate spending. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar that can be invested in your future. 7. Focus on earning more money. While controlling your expenses is important, increasing your income is equally crucial for enhancing your financial health. Explore different ways to boost your income. It could be through education and training to advance in your current career, seeking additional jobs, or starting a side business. If you have skills or hobbies that can be monetized, consider turning them into an additional source of income. Don't hesitate to negotiate a salary raise if you believe your contributions to your job justify it. Also, remain open to new job opportunities that may offer better benefits or a higher salary. Increasing your income not only provides more financial flexibility, but also allows you to allocate more resources to your saving and investment goals, thus accelerating your path to financial freedom. 8. Find your entrepreneurial spirit developing. An entrepreneurial spirit can open up a world of possibilities to increase your income. Entrepreneurship does not necessarily mean starting a large company. It can begin with a small project or a side business based on your passions or skills. For example, if you are good at crafts, consider selling your creations online. If you possess specialized knowledge, you could offer consulting or online courses. Entrepreneurship allows you not only to generate additional income, but also to build something of your own that could grow over time. Moreover, it provides the opportunity to learn new skills and expand your professional network. While entrepreneurship carries its own challenges and risks, the potential reward and the satisfaction of being your own boss can be immensely gratifying. Start small, plan carefully, and don't be afraid to take the leap toward realizing your entrepreneurial ideas. 9. Be consistent. When investing, consistency is key in the world of investing. Resist the temptation to chase the latest trends or to change your investments with every market fluctuation. Instead, adopt a long-term approach. This means maintaining your investments even during market downturns, which can be crucial for achieving sustained growth. Historically, the market has shown an upward trend in the long term, despite short-term fluctuations. Additionally, being consistent allows you to benefit from compound interest, where your earnings generate even more earnings over time. Set up an investment plan based on your goals and risk profile and stay the course. Remember, patience and persistence are often rewarded in the world of investments. 10. Diversify your investments. Diversification is an essential strategy for minimizing risks in your investment portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and perhaps cryptocurrencies or index funds, you can reduce the negative impact that poor performance in one sector or market may have on your overall portfolio. For example, if the stock market is down, your investments in bonds or real estate could offset these losses. Diversification also allows you to take advantage of growth opportunities in different sectors and regions. Remember, each asset class has its own risks and returns, and the right mix of these can depend on your age, financial goals, and risk tolerance. Diversification doesn't eliminate risk entirely, but it is a powerful tool for managing it effectively. 11. Adapt your investments. As your priorities change as you progress through life, your needs and financial goals inevitably change. What was important to you in your 20s may differ in your 40s or 60s. Therefore, it's crucial to review and adjust your investment strategies regularly. When you're young, you can afford to take more risks, given the longer time to recover from potential losses. However, as you approach retirement, you might want to focus on safer investments that offer a steady income stream and less volatility. Regularly reviewing your investments ensures they remain aligned with your current financial goals and life situation, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments to maximize your savings and prepare for different life stages. 12. Your retirement fund. Planning for your retirement is an essential piece of your long-term financial health. It's important to start saving and investing for retirement as early as possible, as this gives you more time to accumulate wealth and benefit from compound interest. Consider different retirement investment vehicles available in your country and contribute to them regularly. Also, learn about the investment options available within these plans and choose those that best align with your time horizon and risk tolerance. Remember, the earlier you start planning and saving for retirement, the more comfortable and secure your retirement will be. Don't underestimate the amount you'll need to maintain your desired lifestyle in retirement and plan accordingly. 13. Avoid investing in what you don't understand. A golden rule in investing is never to invest in something you don't understand. The financial world can be complex and full of jargon, which sometimes makes investments seem more complicated than they are. Take the time to educate yourself on different types of investments and how they work. If you're considering a particular investment, make sure you understand how it generates returns, the associated risks, and how it fits within your overall investment strategy. Investing without a clear understanding can lead to decisions based on fear or greed, rather than reason and strategy, often resulting in financial losses. If you're unsure, seek advice or choose simpler and more transparent investment options. 14. Seek expert advice. While it's important to have a basic understanding of your personal finances, there's nothing wrong with seeking the help of professionals. A qualified financial advisor can provide valuable guidance in planning your finances, helping you define your financial goals, develop strategies to achieve them, and navigate the complex world of investments. Additionally, they can offer you an objective perspective and help you avoid common mistakes. Make sure to choose a financial advisor with good references who understands your personal goals and needs. Remember, investing in quality advice can be as important as your financial investments themselves, helping you make informed and strategic decisions that boost your path to financial prosperity. Boosting your personal finances is a journey that requires patience, continuous learning, and most importantly, action. The 14 strategies outlined here are an excellent starting point for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. Remember, these strategies require time and dedication, but with effort and patience, you can gradually move closer to your financial goals. Money is a powerful tool that, when wisely managed, can open the doors to a more secure and prosperous future. Start implementing these tips today, and you'll see how, step by step, you get closer to your financial goals. Your path to financial prosperity starts here and now. What do you think about these habits? Which habits would you like to eliminate from your life? Which do you think is the hardest to eliminate? Please leave us a comment. If you're interested in personal finance topics, saving, investing, and how to achieve your financial goals, don't hesitate to visit our channel and check out other interesting videos on these topics. If there's a topic you'd like us to discuss on our channel, don't hesitate to let us know. We hope you liked the video, and before you go, please like, add a comment about these habits, subscribe to our channel, share this video with family and friends, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our videos.